Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot turn off Find My iPhone in iOS 26. If you're using any iPhone and you want to turn off Find My iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So you just have to open your settings, and here you have to make sure that you are connected to strongest internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. Once you have done, you just have to tap on your Apple ID, and here you will get the option of Find My. You have to select that and then select Find My iPhone, and from here you can easily turn it off by disabling this toggle and entering your Apple ID password. Or if you are having an issue that the first issue is that you cannot remember your Apple ID password, so you can change your Apple ID password. So go for sign in and security, and here you have to select the option of change password, and then you have to enter your iPhone passcode, and here you have to enter your new password and then retype your new password, and your password will be changed. Or if you are having any other issue, so let's see, and let's suppose that if your iPhone has been grayed down, you are not able to find the option of Find My, or you are not able to access your Find My option. So let's see how can you fix that issue. You have to open up your settings again, then go for Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode, and here you just have to look for the option of stolen device protection, and from here you have to turn off this toggle. As you can see, I have already turned it off, and once you have turned off this toggle, you will be able to change to turn off your Find My iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.